Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix network error in Made. So there are some solutions which you can try to fix this issue. First of all, open a browser, search speed test and just run the speed test and see if you're getting good internet or not. If your speed is not good enough, then you have to change the internet connection. Like you can use a mobile data, mobile hotspot and see if the problem solved or not. Sometimes connecting mobile hotspot or another internet connection could solve the issue. Then the second thing you need to check if the servers are down or not. Like go to the search bar here in the browser, type Smith server status and you're gonna see if the servers are down or not. If the servers are down, just wait until they fix the problem from their end. And if the servers are not down, then the last resort you have, just open the launcher where you have installed the game. In my case that's Steam. So here we need to go to library, hit right click on Smith, go to properties, select installed files and click on this option, verify integrity of game files. This is gonna repair the game, and once the process finish, relaunch the game and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, these were some solutions which you can try to fix network errors in Smith. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.